Yeah, it is 6 in the morning. I just wake up here in the jungle, and you can see there is a giraffe over here. The real giraffe, very beautiful giraffe is here. I'm just learning. Niamka tu asubuhi, nafanya mazoezi, and you can see what I have spotted. The beautiful giraffe here, and the gazelle is there running. You see, the gazelle is always afraid of people, not only people but everything. So they're trying to run, thinking that I'm going to kill them, but not, just adventuring here in Africa. This is the beauty of Africa. If you want to see God, come to Africa. If you want to enjoy life, come to Africa. This is adventure in Africa. As I'm shooting myself here on my phone, just the aim is to show you everything about Africa. And as you can see, this is one of the things that is available here in Africa. You can see the giraffe is just around here. A lot of them, others are there. Yeah, and it's a real jungle, real jungle. You can see I'm at the middle of the jungle. The only thing you can see here is the trees, and yeah, you see that giraffe is running. And this beautiful one here, just they are wandering. And I'm on my bare shoes. Don't have even a shoes. Like, I feel like I can just walk on a bare feet like this and show you how things is really cool here in Africa, man. So subscribe to this channel, stay tuned, stay with me. I'm gonna show you around Africa, everything that is available here in Africa. Not only the jungle, but the big city, the quiet villages, and everything. So keep showing up, man. Keep hitting the like button, keep subscribing, keep liking the video, keep sharing it so many people can know the beauty of Africa. This is Adventure in Africa. Keep tuned, man. Mi bado naendelea tu kupiga tua zangu hapa mbugani, kiangalia pande wa kila sehemu nimezungukwa na wanyama. Unavyoona. Leo ni twiga ndo wapo around, lakini kuna wanyama wengi tu wanakuwa wapo hapa. Yeah. This is the Great Serengeti.